Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with a quick case study and demo video to show you the power of our new SyndBuddy 2.0 system that allows you to get free targeted traffic to any offer or service by letting our proven army of over 5,000 members do all your social syndication for you so that you can rank on page one of either Google, YouTube, or both in 48 hours or less, okay? So yes, I'm talking about totally hands-free rankings for any niche site or video or pretty much any URL that you want to get traffic for. There's literally zero work on your part besides submitting the URL you want traffic for, and then the SyndBuddy army gets to work for you right away. There's zero learning curve since everything is pretty much done for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works here in this video. And it honestly doesn't even matter if you suck at SEO or are new to the subject, or if you've used other ranking tools and failed, okay? Because literally SyndBuddy is the easiest and most proven platform that you've ever used to get page one rankings at will, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how that works here in this video. Here I am in the dashboard, and the first thing you're going to notice is that up here in the top, our members have done over 2 million shares of each other's content over the last couple of years that we've been live. So although our 2.0 platform is brand new, SyndBuddy as a whole has been around for over 2.5 years, and it's been an extremely powerful platform for all of our members, okay? And yes, we have over 5,000 members at the moment right now. So just think of how powerful it's going to be when you have that many people out there sharing your content, okay? So before I actually jump into the demo video, let me just jump over here and show you just a little bit of proof so that you can see that this truly does work, okay? And what I did, as I do with all my tools, is I went out there and put up brand new campaigns for me to rank so that you can see that this platform truly delivers what I'm promising, okay? So here are some page one rankings, and the strategy that I did with these last few rankings that I'm going to show you is something that anyone can truly do, okay? And what I did was I logged into my Amazon account, I went into my recent orders, and I just picked the last 3 or 4 products that I purchased since I have them here right in front of me and I can talk about them and give an honest review about them, okay? So literally anyone can do that. If you use Amazon or if you use any other website that you constantly order products from, you can do this strategy, okay? And you can earn some easy affiliate commissions using this strategy. Just log into your account, see what you've ordered recently, and make a quick video about it, okay? But at the same time, SyndBuddy works for just about anything, okay? Whether you're looking to do local marketing or you're looking to help local businesses get more rankings, whether you're looking to rank for your e-commerce store, whether you're even looking to get more press release exposure, and I'll show you how one of our users did that with SyndBuddy as well. But there is so many ways that you can use SyndBuddy because it's literally the most natural way that you can use social syndication to get page one rankings, okay? It's literally what Google wants. It's real social shares from real people that are actually sharing your content on their platforms, okay? It's the most natural strategy you can use to get rankings, okay? So here I am ranking on page one. You can see a couple of days ago that it shows. Here I am ranking for the plural version as well. And this is just a little scooter that we bought for our daughter for her 2-year-old birthday. I also purchased a cool little bowling set for her, so I went ahead and made a review for that as well, and you can see I'm right here ranking 2 days ago as well. And here I am ranking in YouTube as well, very #1 spot ranking up there, okay? And I took that campaign a little bit further as well, this bowling campaign. I took it a little bit further because I noticed that there are also people searching for more general terms, so indoor bowling set for kids, okay? And I added the year back there because, you know, there's a lot of people that actually want to get the latest reviews. So here I am ranking for that again a couple of days ago, and literally it was just the same, pretty much the same video. And in both of these, I said the same thing. And I just targeted a different keyword, okay? And I'm ranking for the indoor, and then this one I put the word best in front of it as well, and I'm ranking for that as well. Okay, here are some more YouTube rankings. This one I actually kind of went a little bit stronger with my campaign. Okay, and actually put up 2 videos. So here's my first video ranking in 3rd position here, and here is my other video. So I got 2 page 1 rankings on YouTube for this particular product. And you can see here as well that these videos are getting views, and you can see I put this one up 2 days ago. These videos do get views, so over 2,000 views there, over 4,000 views there, 665 views there, over 12,000 views here from this guy. Okay, so you can see that these videos do get views, and I got 2 videos ranking on here. And this guy here 3 weeks ago, and he's already got 510 views. So I'm very confident that these 2 videos are going to start getting a good amount of views because I'm ranking here on the first page of YouTube. And one thing that I did with this as well, not only did I put up 2 videos, which is a cool trick that I like to do, and sometimes I even do 3 so that I can do exactly this and take up 2 spaces. But what I did is when I actually did my keyword research, I found that there's a competitive product for this as well, but in actuality it's the exact same product, just rebranded. Okay, I think it's 2 different companies probably bought the same products on AliExpress, and they're just reselling it under their own brand. So what I did is I went ahead and ranked for the competitor as well. Okay, and since it's pretty much the exact same product, I just reviewed the same exact product that I have, but I didn't mention the product name. Okay, but yeah, so now I'm also ranking for the competitor, and you can see here 6.4 thousand views, 17,000 views, 41,000 views, and I'm right here right above all of them in 1 day. Okay, and yeah, well, that's just a few of my results, and again, you can use this for just about anything. And of course, what you might be thinking is, yeah, this is going to work for you, so let's go ahead and show what other people can do. Okay, so here are just a few of the testimonials that we've gotten over the years. You can see Steven here said that it helped him rank on the first page of Google. Okay, here you should really give this software a try. Okay, it doubled my traffic and is targeted quality traffic. It's making a huge difference in my business. How easy SyndBuddy is to use and set up for my client campaign. So Carla's here is using it for her clients. Really useful piece of software. Ernesto here is saying I have several sites ranking pretty well thanks to SyndBuddy. Keith Parker, the best way to get traffic. It's newbie friendly too. Okay, Gregory is saying here, I love this software, so good for my business. A must-have if you're struggling with traffic. Terrific software. The best way to get traffic with SyndBuddy. And again, a lot of these testimonials you'll be able to see below as well. SyndBuddy is an awesome secret weapon. Okay. Jim here is saying it helps a lot. And makes web work more interesting and profitable. Okay, Sean here is saying just think of having thousands of users who can share your content. Okay, it's a no-brainer. And yeah, that's exactly what we've built with SyndBuddy. We've brought together a bunch of people that want to get traffic, and everyone is agreeing to share each other's content. That is the beauty of what we've built with SyndBuddy. And with our 2.0 features, we've really taken it to the next level, and I'll share with you what those are when I jump into the demo. So SyndBuddy is the app for getting real authority backlinks. Okay, Josh rocks with his products. It helps drive engagement to content I post and helps with organic traffic and ranking. Okay, SyndBuddy is best in its class. I've tried others like this one, but this one is top shelf. Okay. The rare occasion that a software blows my expectations as SyndBuddy has. Okay, traffic has been amazing. Well thought software, quality software for the price. SyndBuddy is an amazing tool for increased social engagement. Okay, so again, you'll be able to see these below. And there's one more that I wanted to share with you, which is Steve here, which is thinking a little bit out of the box and using SyndBuddy a little bit differently than most people. But he actually used it to boost his press releases, okay? And the views to his press releases actually increased over time. So you can see 151 views, 366 views, 377, 421, 207. So you can see he boosted the traffic and exposure to his press releases. And you can see here, I'll continue to catch low volume but still valuable views for weeks as a result of some of the longer tail rankings, which SyndBuddy will have helped me to get. Okay, so very cool strategy that Steve used with SyndBuddy here, where he used it to boost up his press releases that he's gotten published. Okay, I bought SyndBuddy with confidence it will work as promised. Okay, and it says here, sure enough, rankings improved and or surpassed previous positions. Okay. Really cool way to get real traffic and help others do the same. So I just wanted to quickly show you that it's not only obviously working for me since I'm the one that put it together, but I wanted to show you that it's also working for everyday people like I just showed here. And some people, again, using it for different strategies. Some people using it for local, some people using it for press releases. So really diverse piece of software that you can use, okay, and get some real awesome results with it. So let me quickly jump into SyndBuddy now and really show you how easy it's going to be to get a campaign up and running, okay. And it's really it literally takes just a few seconds. So I'm going to come in here and go to my campaigns. And one thing that I want to show you as well is just how much my campaigns have been getting shared. So you can see here, this one has gotten 16 different users who have shared this campaign 150 times. Just today alone, one user has shared it 36 times. This is totally hands-free social syndication that I'm getting to my campaigns without me having to do a single thing, okay? This one here, 14 users have shared it 92 times. Just today alone, 2 users shared it 18 times. This one here, 12 users shared 80 times. Hasn't gotten any shares today. 13 users, 111 times. None today so far. You can see here 123 users, 879 times, okay? This one here, 14 users, 140 times. 1 user 40 times today, okay? And you can see these other here in the bottom as well, 120 times, 108, 20, 118, 107, 140. Today alone, this one user shared my campaign 40 different times, okay, to 40 different sites. So very, very cool stats there that you can see. But let me show you just how simple it is to actually create a campaign. Let me come here to social share campaign at the top. And one of our very powerful features is the fact that we have a full content generator built in, okay? So it really takes a few seconds to get a new campaign in here. So let's say that, for example, I was going to be submitting my site, and let's say that I wanted to rank for affiliate marketing. Okay, let's say that this is one of my inner pages, and let's say I want, obviously, this is a very extremely competitive keywords, and most likely I would never actually target these keywords because they're just way too competitive, okay? And if you don't have an idea of how to find good keywords, a very powerful bonus that we have as part of your purchase is a full breakdown on how to find profitable keywords that you can rank for and make money with, okay? So this is just for example purposes. I don't want any of you to think that you can come in here and just start ranking for affiliate marketing from, in a couple of days, okay? It's just not the way it works. But either way, here you can go and choose your category that you are going to be setting for this campaign. And here your total limit. So let's say that you want 200 total shares. But as you saw with my stats, that might be used up in a couple of days. So let me go ahead and just put 500. Daily limit, okay, 25 if you want to go ahead and drip feed your social syndication over time, especially if you're using this for a brand new site or for a client site. You definitely want to make sure that you drip feed that over time, just in case you want to just have that little buffer zone in there. Now here's where the magic happens, okay? Content generator, you can choose the type of content that you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose affiliate marketing since that's the one that I'm submitting. Click generate, and in a few seconds my content is going to be generated. The titles, the content. Here's a very powerful feature we have as part of 2.0 as well, is where you can get YouTube video embeds for your videos as well, which is a very powerful way to get even more rankings and boost your videos even more. So if you do not have a video that you want to rank along with your URL, and obviously here you can put a video URL as well, and you can actually put multiple URLs. Okay, so if I come up here if you wanted to, you can technically put a niche site URL and a YouTube video URL, but I personally like to keep them separate. And what I do here is usually I'll put the secure version and the non-secured version, whether it's YouTube or a niche site URL. Okay, just in case, just it looks a little bit more natural, just to mix up the URLs like that. And then you can also put www and then not have www for each of these, so you can have all 4 variations in there. So the non-secure without the S, the secured with the S, and then you can have the non-secure with www, and then the secured with www, and then you have 4 different variations of your links being syndicated, which just helps to make things look a little more natural, okay? But besides that, okay, again, here's the very powerful feature that we have in SyndBuddy 2.0 as well, where you can get video embeds. If you do not have a video, then we'll just put a random video in here that matches the keywords that you're targeting, okay? And that's it. Everything else here is set to go. You actually don't have to add any of your links into the content. As you can see here, do not insert links. We will handle that based on the URLs and keywords entered above. So you literally don't have to do anything to this content except generate it with the built-in generator. And then down here, all you have to do is click add. Now, if you do have an existing SynLab account, or you purchase these very special SynLab upgrade offer that we have during the 2.0 launch of SyndBuddy, then you'll be able to automatically send it to your SyndBuddy account right away to get your own personal syndication. And this kind of really boosts things right away, because now not only are you getting the SyndBuddy army to share your content, but you are sharing it on your own to your own sites as well, okay? And from there, all you literally have to do is click add, and you are good to go. Now you are gonna be having thousands of real people all over the world sharing your content on their social platforms like I showed you here, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and pause that one, since I'm not even sure if I actually have that link on my site. So if I can find it, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and click there and pause it. All right. And that's it. That's how easy it is to come in here and use SyndBuddy, add a campaign, and start getting real social shares for your content, and start getting rankings, traffic, and sales by having our SyndBuddy army do all the work for you. Now, from here, you can also click this option here, and it'll give you a full report of all the places that your campaign has been syndicated, okay? So that's it. That is SyndBuddy in a nutshell. Go ahead and click the link below, or click the buy button, and pick up your copy of SyndBuddy during the special 2.0 offer, and start having our SyndBuddy army share your content all over the web for you. It is literally the easiest and simplest way for you to go out there and get real social shares from real people located all over the world.